Hello, and welcome to this week's lesson. I'm Kieran, and I will be taking you through the 6 words found on this week's social media, which contain popular English words and phrases. We look at words and phrases from everyday life here in the UK, help you pronounce them, provide an easy to understand definition, and give you a clear example of how you could use it in real life. Anyway, let's get started with our first word this week. The first word we have for you this week is acknowledge. So let's take a look at the definition of this one. This is when someone understands the importance of something. They agree to take action to ensure a good outcome. That's a definition, so let's take a look at the example. The girl acknowledged it was a bright and sunny day, so she decided to wear sunglasses to protect her eyes from the sun. Next up, we have an encouraging word, and this word is top lad. So let's take a look at what this word means. This is either a man or boy who is kind and friendly most of the time. Top lads are normally well liked by others. So there's the definition. Now let's look at the example. The boy was seen by many as being a top lad and one of the best in his village. He often goes shopping for the elderly people. The next word can be described as a tiring one because this word is cardio. So let's have a look at the definition for cardio. This is a form of exercise which exercises the heart and lungs. This helps them to continue to run smoothly. So let's take a look at an example of cardio. The man and woman regularly went for cardio exercises by running 10 kilometers every day. It made them feel fresh and happy. We have an interesting and engaging one next, and this one is incorporate. So let's take a look at the definition of incorporate. So this is when we include an idea or object within a larger group of things. These could be projects or a product. Let's have a look at the example for incorporate. The girl incorporated all the ideas she had learnt from her research into her presentation. Her ideas received excitement from the class. The next word we have is retain. So let's have a look at the meaning of retain. This is when someone decides to keep something rather than throwing it away. They can use it in the future many more times. So now we've looked at the definition, it's time to look at an example. The woman decided to throw away some of her older clothes. However, she decided to retain some of her favorite clothes. And now we've come to the end of this week's lesson with the final phrase. And this is plugging away. So let's have a look at the definition of plugging away. This is when someone or a group of people are working hard under difficult conditions. That's a great definition, so let's look at the example. The students had to complete a group project at university, so they were plugging away as the deadline was approaching. Thank you for taking part in this week's lesson. We really appreciate your company. We will be back with more lessons each week to provide you with the most important English words and phrases. Why not check out our website and find out how you can further improve your English with our online self-study courses? We have a free 2-week trial so you can learn exactly how to use our course by the time the trial ends. Feel free to check out our social media feeds to keep up with the latest news. Anyway, thanks for joining us again, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.